Hello everybody, welcome back to our isolation diaries, video diaries, whatever you like to call them. I've been sent in a lovely song performed by one of my lovely volunteers, one of our younger volunteers, Ellie, and she sent me this song, and so that's brilliant. So we can actually now put that up here on our YouTube, and she answered the call. So if anybody else wants to send us a song or send us a piece of poetry or send us a monologue from a play or anything that might entertain people, I love that it's one of our volunteers. We are blessed with the most amazing volunteers, and there you go, Ellie has answered the call. So the challenge is now on for the rest of you, because I know there's a huge wealth of talent amongst our volunteers. So even if it's just showing us something you've made or created, because I know how creative you all are, so you know, send me a little video of you doing something and then we can put it up on the YouTube channel. But anyway, here is Ellie.
What are you doing Friday? Wanna help my worlds collide? Let's make a bowl with old cut ties. Do you want his number? Or shall I be the one to call? I haven't seen him much at all. Could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you, and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends. You said you're into closure. Shake hands like you're supposed to. I'll be in the middle while you two get along. You've got so much in common. Talk about your taste in women. I'll be in the middle while you two get along. Does he smile like I do? Oh, it was shared despite our flaws. I held his hand like I hold yours. Thanks for understanding. Oh, this could be a lot of fun. So break the awkward, come undone. Could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you, and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends. You said you're into closure. Shake hands like you're supposed to. I'll be in the middle while you two get along. You've got so much in common. Talk about your taste in women. I'll be in the middle while you two get along. In the middle. In the middle. I'll be in the middle. In the middle. I'll be in the middle. In the middle. In the middle. I said it could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I said it could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you, and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends. You said you're into closure. Shake hands like you're supposed to.